there is a huge appetite for AI adoption and making sure that we can optimize. And in a lot of cases, especially where it's tight and margins have been eroded over time, a successful AI adoption can be the difference between a business actually succeeding and moving on, and rather than folding and crashing. So it is incredibly important, and I think the UK especially have got a big appetite for this. But it's just making sure that it's done in a regulated way. Cyber Essentials and Cyber Essentials Plus are a great framework for small organizations to look at. ISO 27001 is okay, it's good. We are ISO 27001, but it could be a bit heavy for some smaller organizations. So then I'd ask them to maybe look at the 42001, which is the new AI ISO that's just coming around the corner. And I'm not trying to add more, overhead into a business or more, bureaucracy for bureaucracy's sake. It's more actually just remembering that there's a human in the middle. And what we're actually trying to do is optimize the human in the middle to be more productive, to be more effective, and for the business to run.